joining me, Natalie MacDonald, at the iFXEXPO Cyprus. Next up in the Dukascopy TV booth is Saffet Ülker of Integral Menkul. Saffet, thank you very much for joining us. Now, to start with, what makes Integral Menkul different? How do you position yourself amongst your competitors?
FX market is pretty fast and highly evolving one. And in terms of competitors, it is very competitive in terms of brokers. So, as Integral Menkul değerler, our main aim is to generate a combination of both flexibility and continuous standardized service. So, in the simplest form, I can describe my company as, as flexible as a boutique company, but in the meantime, we give standardized service like a multinational bank-originated one. I think this is our main strength. We provide tailor-made solutions for individual customers, but in the meantime, the service we provide is pretty well standardized.
Looking back over the last year then, how has your business evolved? What have been the main challenges? And looking forward to the end of 2013, 2014, what challenges are yet to be faced?
In 2012, the market was in the first year of regulation. So the regulation and the competition came together for the market. In 2012, we started with 6 active brokers in Turkey and 40 billion USD monthly volume. But when we look at the end of the year, the brokers number went up to 22 and the volume went up to 110 billion USD. So that is significant expansion. As Integral Menkul değerler, we continuously stepped up in terms of both volumes and FX income. Depending on the numbers of the Turkey's Brokers Association, I can proudly say that our company was the largest one in 2012 because the percentage, the market share of our company was 20%, and that was the biggest number of the market. And when I look at 2013, I think the market will face a new pending legislation once again, because there is a legislation, there is a draft legislation pending to be implemented, and I guess that would be the main challenge. And as Integral Menkul değerler, our aim is to turn this period into an opportunity as we have done previously in 2012.
What are your thoughts then on transparency within the FX world? Are we moving towards an exchange model? Will all brokers be ECN with one data feed? Or will we keep the OTC model? And if that's the case, then why?
In terms of transparency, if you say that yourself is a broker, if you call yourself a broker, a real one, you have to be crystal clear, that's for sure. Because, FX market is growing, is expanding with reference and reputation. So I think transparency is very important, but I don't think that is just, the main point is not being an OTC or being an ECN. I think here the main point is how you communicate your style, your execution style with your customers. So yes, you can be an OTC or you can be an ECN broker, but if you are not communicating your style with your customers in good way, so that means that it doesn't matter you are doing well. So I think that's the main point. The communication with your customer, how you do and how you explain yourself.
Looking ahead then to future strategy, new products, geographical expansion?
2012 was a healthy start for the business in Turkey. Volumes went upwards systematically, but volumes didn't sky high. So that is something good. And now is the time for expanding in terms of venues, platforms, products. But FX customers in Turkey is pretty new because the market is new. So you have to avoid the distraction of the customers as well. So if you are starting to provide a new service, you have to serve this with perfect communication once again. And in terms of platform and product expansion, I can show that we are going to provide Dukascopy's Forex most probably in the upcoming month. And if we speak about the expansion in terms of geographical expansion, we are still awaiting the pending legislation because we expect to see new terms regarding how to accept IBs from outside of Turkey and how to go abroad of Turkey and operate there.
And lastly, what are the best trading conditions that you can provide to your clients?
For the time being, we are providing a pure MT4 solution for PCs for our customers, but we are supporting that with all variety of mobile platforms, and we also started to provide a social trading platform which is Integral Pro, that is a tailored and optimized version of Mirror Trader. And as I have just mentioned, most probably in the upcoming month, we are going to provide Forex for our customers as well.
Saffet, thank you very much. That's all for now, but click back for more exclusive broker interviews from the iFXEXPO Cyprus. Goodbye for now.